History does not repeat itself, but it does rhyme. Mark Twain. Mark Twain. Why am I quoting Mark Twain in a video on a divorce website? The reason why is because we've handled over 1,000 cases at William S. Foley, PA, and spoken with thousands of people over the years. And while there's no two cases that are exactly the same, and I tell people this during consultations and tell people throughout the website as well, your case is completely different than anybody else's case. You had one person that came together with another person that's completely different. You're, out of the 7 or 8 billion people in the world, no two people are exactly the same. So you had two different people coming together to make one relationship, which is, even if you're not married and we're just talking about paternity or time-sharing matters, your relationship is completely different than anybody else's. So while we treat every single case separately, there is no one-size-fits-all. There is no, this is the exact way that you have to do it, because that's incorrect. Everybody's case is different. However, now this is where the quote comes in, we see patterns. And with my experience in devoting my career to only divorce and family law related matters and dealing with the number of cases I've dealt with over the years and speaking with the people I have spoken to, you see the patterns emerge. You see the rhymes. You see throughout time. So while it may not repeat itself exactly and every case won't be exactly the same, you get to see the patterns that emerge. And sometimes people will say, will ask me, how did you know that was going to happen? You told me that was going to happen. Well, again, patterns do exist. The rhyme exists. So again, we're not here to reinvent the wheel. The benefit we have with our experience and our knowledge of this is we've seen so many similar situations, and we can see the different roads it can go down. So it's like a choose your own adventure book that you can go this way or that way, and you can listen to me or not listen to me, and it kind of keeps going in different directions in a spider web of different opportunities and outcomes. So basically, you've chosen your own adventure of the direction you want to go, and we're there to help you along the way. So definitely had clients that did not listen to me on certain things and say, how can you help me out? I'm not going to take it personally. I'm not going to be mad. I say, okay, this is what we're dealing with, and now this is the direction that we need to go. Because again, because of the experience that I have and then the patterns that I've seen that have, throughout other cases and throughout my experience, throughout my research and review of case law and other cases as well, this is one of the benefits you receive from our office and from an attorney that devotes and dedicates their life to their craft.